Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm April at Stunning Style, and I share classic outfit inspiration as well as style and beauty tips and tricks on my blog and on YouTube. Today I am sharing 4 ways to wear a gingham shirt. It is definitely one of my top 10 favorite wardrobe items. I've had mine for 4 or 5 years, and I've actually collected a few different versions of the same shirt to wear different ways. It has been a part of the last 3 Stunning Style wardrobe guides, including the current fall guide that recently came out. And it's such a favorite of mine, and so many people ask me how to style it that I decided to share 4 of my favorite ways with you. If you are interested in the still images to pin this to Pinterest, that'll be in the blog post linked down below. I'll also share information about the Stunning Style wardrobe guides as well as the society membership in the links down below as well. Each guide comes with 30+ pieces in a curated capsule collection, all the shopping links, and they are labeled according to the classic style twists that I share on my blog, and 100 outfit ideas. In the society, you have access to even more information, including bonus outfits, styling tips, and more information about how to customize each classic outfit to your personal style. There's a Facebook group that's exclusive to members of the society, and we are starting the Fall Get Up and Get Stunning Challenge today. It's 14 days where I have chosen outfits from the current fall guide, and we all share our personal twist on each outfit and how we've personalized it to make it our own. There is a 10-day free trial of the current guide if you'd like to see what all the fuss is about, and I'll link to that down below as well. So let's get started. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week.